just have one request. Now, it is written that if we ask, we shall receive. If we seek, we shall find. Knocking, the door shall be open. So I ask that you let some drops fall on me. Let it fall. Right here. As your people thirst and hunger, we all need. And sometimes wonder, when will you come and drop rain down? Let some drop fall. Let some drop fall. See, I understand that I can't put my trust in man. So I look for you. Show up on time, and drop some drops on me, make me shine. Fall on me, outpour on me. Let some rain fall. Let some drops down fall on me. Fall on me. Yeah, fall on me. I wanna feel you. I wanna feel your power. I wanna feel your power. Let some drops fall on me. I can't do without it. Or can I live without it? Jesus, Jesus, I need you. Let some drops fall. Just follow me, follow me. Do not pass me by, do not pass me by. Follow me. Do not pass me by, do not pass me by. Follow me. Fall on me. Fall on me. Fall on me. Jesus, will you fall on me? Fall on me, fall on me, fall on me. Touch me, Lord, touch me, Lord. Lay your hand, your drop, your rain. Lay your hand, your drop, your rain. Just